Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how you can create a S3 life cycle. Uh, what is the S3 life cycle means if you want to delete any S3 objects after a period of time, then you need to create a life cycle. Or either if you want to transfer your S3 files to DynamoDB or any S3 bucket, then also you need to create a life cycle. So today I'll be going to create a life cycle for deleting the S3 objects after 1 year. So let's get started now. Uh, I'm already logged into my AWS console. So just go to S3 and go inside that bucket and go to the management. And here you can see the lifecycle rules, replication rules, and configuration, inventory configuration also. So we don't want these. Use replication or define a option you want to S3 to apply it during the business. Okay, this is for replication, but we are going to create a lifecycle rules. So create a lifecycle rule. Here I need to delete files after 365 days. Limit the scope of this rule using one or more filter. If you want to delete from particular folder only, then you can define the filter like homes home slash folder or something. But we don't want this one. We will use this one apply to all objects in the bucket. So it this rule will be applied for all the objects. And I acknowledge and then actually move current version of object to storage classes. I don't need this. Move expire current version of object. So I'll select this one and it is asking for dates. So just let's put 365 days after object's creation. Okay. After this one it will be deleted. So create rule. So guys, this rule has been created, and if you want to disable this rule, then you can click and disable. And if you want to details, so after 365 days, it will expire. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is how you can create a life cycle in life cycle for S3 bucket. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.